Second day in California. We look like crap. We just woke up at like 8.
No, it's only 7.
Is it?
No.
Oh.
8 is still early.
Yeah, it is. It's like 11 at home, but it's 8 over here. It's so tiring. We knocked on coal last night. Yeah. Here is our little balcony or outdoor patio view. Actually pretty nice. And the beach is right over there. So nice. Right there. So all we have to do is just cross the street over there, but it seems like it's a busy street, so we'll see. We were originally going to stay at that hotel right there, but then they didn't have any more room because everybody booked it because it's right like on the beach. So we decided we'll save a couple $100 and just stay at this one, which this one is pretty nice because the beach is still just right there. We just have to cross the street. Yeah, it's really nice, and this is our outdoor thing. And here's a little jacuzzi bath. And our bed, which is messed up, it's a queen size. It's very, very, very comfortable, very high. And that's our TV, and then our junk, and then our and then our mirror, and then my crap. We're heading to breakfast. Woman, do we need? So we're walking to get breakfast. I told her I look like a ghost because I'm wearing white and my face is like tacked up. But oh, it's buffet style. Oh my god, I hope I'm soon. Unless you want to eat here. Do I eat here? What do they have? Oh, well, legit already. Darren and I are about to go to the beach here in Laguna. I think we can have everything. We'll just leave that light on. Here again is our room. Oh, so sad. We're leaving today. Okay. Let's get up here first. Okay. Oh! Oh! I was gonna say I didn't bring a camera, but I'm holding it. Heck, going crazy. We'll just go down there, I guess. I think you can see you too. Oh, it's the nice. Yeah. Oh, I guess. I'm not sure. Okay, this was one of the hotels we were looking at, but we didn't stay at it because it's so expensive. It's like, I think, no, $300 a night. And only not so good. She had oh, so pretty. What? Oh, the sand is very soft. So pretty. We also looked at this hotel too, but it wasn't. Oh. Going back to our hotel. Mister. So tropical, so nice. Oh, you're gonna. No. So we can't get through the other doors, so we have to go around. But it's okay. It looks foggy too, kind of. Reminds me of San Francisco when it's always cloudy. But we're going back to LA. Tempting to go to Long Beach, which looks really weird. One way. Oh, this side is one way. Okay.
Maybe that might be highway 1. We could just go
On the take the highway. It's okay. Maybe that's a beach. Why do you need to pay to get in? Should we go there? Oh, it is the beach.
Then make a U-turn.
We can go straight? Oh. Okay, I think it. You want to tell them where we are? I'm tired. Yeah, we think it is. Because when we drove by early, there's one place that was apparently Long Beach, and it was like Bathing Lake. Like there's like a little beach area in there, and then people were like sunbathing and stuff. But it looks like Bathing. So right here at the other beach. Looks like super nice. Oh, it's in the car. Oh, it's so nice and soft. I like it. Nice and soft. Perfect to play volleyball. Wish my family was here. You guys would love the sand here. It's not like hot like at home. It's like nice and soft and warm. And the beach is beautiful.
150 feet. You have reached your destination on your left.
Can we park here? Oh, it's meter
You have
parking.
reached your destination on your left.
Oh, let's go. I'll just call local crabs. Here at the International Boardwalk Fish Market and stuff. What do they have here? Oh, so cool. Do you want to eat here or no? Junjay here. You want to go see what they have first? Oh, they have more on this side.
You look like the best part is I just love how when you guys are spending your money, how cautious you are. Oh, where you at? What you got? Did you do this for us?
Wow.
Did you do this for us?
Yeah, but you could have to cook it though. Bao, bao. No. Chưa chưa. So we thought it was not arcade. Everyone has rides and stuff back to us. It's actually pretty cool. Awesome. Right there? Really cool. I know. That's the coolest thing ever, right there. But Bear doesn't want to ride it, so I can't ride it. Oh, candy! The sour candies and stuff. Oh, there's so many toy machines. More candy. Whoa.
We're at the fair.
Yes, we are. Indoor fair. Oh, this is really nice. Do you want to? It's only 25 cents. Oh, it's the thingy. 25 cents. I don't know where you put the thing. Cool. Oh, look, they're already old. Oh, look, oh, okay, okay. No parking.
Turn left, then take the second left.
crap, you're on the way. Can you son of a...
Can you back up? Yeah, back up a little bit.
Mucho.
Can we go down here?
You have reached your destination on your left.
Okay, so, why cover your face? Dur and I are hungry bears, so we are about to order food, and I told Dur, let's just order, have delivery, so that we don't have to drive out and, waste gas and all of that stuff, and we'll just pay. Anyways, you see our pole there. So yeah, we're debating on what to get. And I want papaya salad. It's $8.50. Expensive compared to Minnesota, $5. And Dirt is telling me to stop being fat, but we'll be here for 4 days and we have a fridge and a microwave, so I'm like, why don't we just order a lot so we can, just eat here.
Your sticky rock and mango is $7.
Oh my god!
Dude, your expression, I don't know why you videotaped me.
Oh. My favorite, sticky rice and mango with coconut is $7. Yeah, they make the sticky rice with
I know, I want to try.
we tried it last time at the other place.
Why is my chest hurting?
Girl just said she got sunburn, so. But yeah, so she just told me that it's $7. Why so expensive? But we're on vacation, so I think we'll be okay. Okay, but don't close that, because it has order online, so we don't have to call them. I don't want to call them. They'd be like, what? What you say? And I'd be like, huh. But yeah. What is it? Ooh.
Oh no, this is not that. I just want to see if they have your dessert.
Desserts?
They don't really have it.
What do they have? Nava? Ice cream? Cheesecake? Oh, cheesecake. What's a monthly dessert? Well, that's all they have?
Let's look at other places. What is this? What is this?
Escape? Oh.
What was the name of it? Chinese and Thai.
Was the first one was a Thai? The one with the, do they have delivery?
Yeah, all of these are.
Oh, all delivery. $6.50 now.
Where?
Lunch specials now right here.
Oh, I'm trying to. I don't think ours are one. I saw one.
Dinner specials, appetizers. For the bathroom? Nothing too out of the ordinary. It's really like popoke in here. The light is actually really bright compared to like other hotels. It's always like very yellow looking. There's our toilet, nothing special. Our mirror, which we will be doing makeup. Look like crap, tired. What do you mean? You can what? Don't lie, your laptop is not. Okay, so here's our mirror. Dirt just freaked me out. Here's a microwave, icebox, cups, tissue. Our fridge is empty for now. It'll be filled in the next couple or later today or something. Here's stuff. Here's our room. It's not bad for Super 8 motel. Usually it's like kind of dirty. But we got a king size. And then our pool is right outside. Let me take you out here. Here is the pool. We're about to go swimming in a little bit. Our car is right over there. And And then that's the parking lot, whatever. And then I don't know what building that is for. And their check-in place is like right there. But yeah, it's actually pretty cool. I don't think we have any neighbors yet. But I want to go swimming in a little bit. We'll be going. Yeah. Back into our room. Another mirror. There we go. Our flat screen. Debating what we're gonna be doing today, tomorrow, whatever, next couple days. Ouch. Okay, so Dirt just failed. She was like, why does my chest hurt? And then she was like, look, am I burnt? I'm like, yes, you are. And then she ran to the mirror, and then look what happened.
Look at my boob, and then I moved my hair, and then bam!
You have to explain to them what that is.
Oh my god! So this is from me carrying my purse.
Wait. Go that way.
You
Go that
see
way.
it?
Yeah, but
It's from me carrying my purse. That's why there's a little white space here, and here is red. Oh my god!
Oh, this is too funny. She doesn't want to go swimming anymore, but.
Oh my god! I wasn't.
Oh, too funny, too funny.
That's all.
Okay, our food is here. Thankfully, they delivered. And Dirt is about to show us what we ordered.
Guess what?
What?
They didn't have your sticky rice mango.
Really?
No, they didn't check mark it. I'm just saying. I'm just lying.
Oh, do not lie.
It's the front.
Oh, yay. Okay, this is sticky rice.
Oh my god, let's see how big our thing are.
Oh, so hungry.
This is
Some weed. We're going to test to make sure it's test positive. They have quite a bit of clothes in their foot backpack. Looks like they're going to have a little powwow. Go from there and crash the car.
It's-
$30 a beer.
hot pie.
Oh, it's the papaya.
I was so afraid. I thought it was gonna be in those little.
Oh my god, it smells so good. Can you smell it? It smells so good. We are like Asian food deprived, even though we've only been here for 2 days. Is it what?
I wasn't motivated. I didn't have to drive. I wanted
What? Oh, you're
broccoli.
more light. With this, oh, so we have light. Okay.
and I decided to give them
So hunger. We are like hungry for real. Why didn't they throw in like a free?
Fried rice combination.
We didn't buy fried rice combination. We bought pad thai combination. Did they not? What happened to our
Pies right here. This is your pineapple. Oh yeah, this is your pineapple.
Why is it not in a pineapple then?
They are. Just look.
scholarships and financial.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be in a pineapple. That's what the picture looked like. And then here's our curry. Really? Yeah. Oh, then we got a whole bunch of sauces and stuff. More just for though. Yeah, it looks so delish. Delish. Yeah, let's eat on the floor. Jay like boo with this for the next 3 days.
Can we change rooms?
Oh, your room smell like fish sauce. Yeah, turn it on. Click the other one too. So hungry. We are fat. This cost us $70. Woman, did we give them 90?
Huh? 90 what?
I think we gave them $90.
How is it's only you give 220, right? I give 220. 80.
Oh, you are a fail.
You.
Yeah, we gave them. Oh my gosh. Well, see, then we could have ordered your fried rice too. And other stuff.
You failed.
Dirt failed.
You failed.
Dirt failed. Well, that's okay. We're gonna eat.